This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about pick stands, specifically this bamboo paddle pick stand. It's a wonderful 14 by 10 inches. It holds up to 90 picks, and it's great for hands-free serving. And it's meant to be used with these awesome little paddle picks, but as you can see, it's compatible with a lot of different picks and skewers. It has nice little indents for handles on the sides, meaning it's easy to pick up, transport, right, move around, and it has a nice sleek, right, design, very simple, but it's made out of a nice warm colored bamboo, which is fantastic. It adds a nice little rustic touch, a nice hint of warmth, right? And it goes great with a lot of different serving pieces. It's a fantastic addition to a buffet, to use at a cocktail party or any other kind of event, right? And it's great for holding things like hors d'oeuvres and mini apps, any kind of skewer, even things like drink garnishes that maybe you want to have prepped ahead of time. And it's a great hands-free service because guests can just pick up things as they go and you can refill as needed. So it's fantastic in commercial use for caterers, hotels, and restaurants, but also at home if you're looking for something for your next cocktail party, holiday party, event, whatever. This is a great little answer to displaying a lot of cute little skewers at once.